Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for Task 1 and 26 minutes for Task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits.
Let's look at this sample email to the building manager. If you haven't read the full response yet, you can pause the video now to review it carefully. This email is a strong example because it successfully completes all parts of the task. The writer clearly follows the instructions. They start with positive feedback, saying they appreciate the effort. Then, they ask two specific questions about the daily work schedule and elevator access. Finally, the email explains the writer's personal situation about working from home and suggests a reasonable solution. The email's organization is very clear. It uses a polite greeting, "Dear Mr. Henderson," and separates each main idea into a new paragraph. This structure makes the message easy for the manager to read and understand. The tone is respectful and cooperative, which is perfect for this situation. Notice the simple connecting words that guide the reader, like, first of all, also, and the phrasing, to start. These words create a smooth flow. The answer also includes two good vocabulary words that are a small stretch: appreciate and disruption. These words make the email sound more natural and professional. Let's examine this sample response that supports the community garden. If you'd like to read the answer carefully first, please feel free to pause the video now. This response is effective because it clearly explains the writer's choice with solid reasoning. The writer immediately states their preference for option A in the opening sentence. The response then provides two distinct reasons to support this choice. It explains that a garden is beneficial for everyone, and that it promotes a healthier lifestyle. These points directly address why the garden is a good idea for the whole community, which is a key part of a strong survey response. The organization is excellent. The answer is structured with an introduction, 2 body paragraphs, and a short conclusion. This format makes the argument logical and very easy to follow. The tone is persuasive but also polite and community-minded. Simple connecting words like firstly and secondly are used to introduce each main point. This helps to guide the reader through the writer's logic. The response also includes 2 slightly more advanced, or stretch, words, beneficial, and promotes. Using these words correctly makes the writing sound more confident. Now, let's analyze this strong response in favor of building a dog park. You can pause the video at any time if you need a moment to read the full answer. This response works well because it presents a clear and convincing argument for option B. The writer begins by directly stating their choice for the dog park. They then support this preference with 2 well-explained reasons. The first reason focuses on how a dog park improves safety in the neighborhood. The second explains how it can act as a social center for pet owners. By providing these detailed points, the writer successfully persuades the reader. The response is organized in a logical way. It has a clear introduction that states the choice, followed by 2 separate paragraphs, each discussing a different benefit. This structure helps the reader understand the writer's thinking step by step. The tone is confident and focused on practical community benefits. The writer uses good transition words like the main reason and furthermore to connect their ideas smoothly. The vocabulary is simple and clear, but it also includes 2 effective stretch words, essential and social. These words add strength to the argument without making it too complex.